Hello, tonight I'll be unboxing VFW on Blu-ray. Comes with a free 30-day trial of Shouter or whatever. I don't know. We'll find out. Here's the back. If you would like to pause and take a look, you can. I know nothing about this movie, but it looks interesting, and I've heard good reviews. So we're gonna open it up now. Now I got this from Walmart for $14.96, but if you would like the 4K was $15.96. I just don't have a 4K TV, so I got the Blu-ray. But if I can get this open, will be another story. One second. I just gotta get this open if I can. One second. I gotta cut into this. There we go. Okay. Now, hopefully, I can actually get. Oh my God! There we go. That was put on there pretty good. All right, throw that over there. Here's the slipcover. All right, here's the front of the case. The same artwork as the box art. These veterans are in for the fight of their lives. It's got the guy from Karate Kid, the original one. Not like the Karate Kid himself. I'm pretty sure it was the original Bad Dojo like leader. I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure though. This, you get the filmmaker audio commentaries, making of VFW, meet the cast of VFW, the special makeup effects of VFW. But all right, I'll pop it over here, see if there's any code. Okay. Well, I've already used the code when you guys are seeing this, so that'll be fine. Now, I will have an unboxing of Underwater when it comes out on the 14th, if Walmart gets it. But if it does, I will have the unboxing for that. And I will be giving away the digital code of that movie to anyone who likes this video, comments "I watched," and subscribes. So, like this video, comment "I watched," and subscribe. And next week on the 14th, I will be giving away the digital code to Underwater on Blu-ray. But, alright, here we go. So here's the little start, like, stream your fears. I'll be trying this out, but here's the back of that. It shows some scary movies. Just put that here. Here's the case. There's the disc. VFW. Alright, we'll put this back in here. Close this up. VFW is a pure on adrenaline, or I messed that word up. Shot of adrenaline. I can't talk right now. Anyway, you get my point. But there's the unboxing of VFW. There you go. There's the back again. It is how long is this movie, if I can find it? Oh, 92 minutes. It's 92 minutes. So, there we go. There you go. All right. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a great night.